Well, this is what I do basically every morning, is come out and do morning chores, which is basically bottle feeding the goat kid. And then I have been putting 2 cows up that are due, and I'm starting to think they're bull bred. So, but anyway, I do kick them out every morning to get exercise, and then just put them in of a night. And you can hear the bottle baby. I think when she hears my voice, you can hear her screaming. You can see all the other kids, they are growing, and probably do some weaning here soon. Well, folks, it is a Friday here in southern Indiana, and we have snow on the way. So I'm heading to get some hay out for the cows, and a couple corn stalk bales that they can eat what they want and lay in the rest. So we haven't had much snow here at all in Indiana, but we're going to be prepared with these cows. So I'm headed over where my hay and one set of corn stalk bales. I have several corn stalk bales. I have plenty, so I'm not really concerned about them. So I do have to drive through part of the pasture and through the woods, and you'll see up here another gate that I go through to get to that stockpile. Very exciting stuff, and you've seen me do it before. I had been rolling out these bales of hay, but I'm going to put it in the feeder. The ground has been really dry, but I'm going to put these in the feeder simply because if it snows 1 to 3 inches like they're claiming, I don't want to get the hay that I've rolled out covered up in the snow, so I will put these in the feeder. That way I know it won't get covered up. I am going to have to move the feeders over just a little. They kind of moved them. Hopefully I can get this done without tearing something up. Well, in the video at 1:30, when I was putting out the corn stalks and the hay bales to get ready for the weather, it was about an hour later when this snow came in. So this just gives you a quick idea of how things changed in an hour. And this is actually about 3:30, '4, I think. So the snow that they predicted is here. Hey, good morning everyone. It is a cold, brisk Saturday morning. I believe the temperature is 13 degrees. Got a little bit more snow than probably what we were expected. I think 5 inches here at home. Cows were in good shape. I put out plenty of hay for them. However, my replacement heifers that are another pasture who've been on corn stalks, I'm getting ready to take a bale of hay to them, so I'll let you see just a little bit of that on this cold Saturday morning. Well, for the first time in about 3 weeks, maybe a month, the heifers all came up out of the cornfield, so when the snow covered up those stalks, they decided they were hungry, and I knew they would be, so I'm going to get out here and get this hay bale opened up for them. That was a hay knife, by the way, that I used to cut that bale open. Normally I don't use it, but I was afraid this bale would be froze, or the net be froze to it. But there they are. They'll be content now.